I am recording the video and today's topic is difference between dataset versus data table. The following article provides an outline for dataset versus data table. Dataset is comprised of relationships, tables and constraints, and the objects in the dataset are implied to represent the tables present in the dataset. The dataset is implied to avoid direct interaction with the database by make SQL statements. It is used to behave like a cheap local copy of the required data as it doesn't need any maximum latency to connect with the expensive database, whereas the data table denotes the in-memory relational data present in one table. Here the data is local and depends on the application in which it's situated but can be multiplied from a data source like an SQL server. Dataset is a representation of in-memory elements of a structured database that has a pool of data tables. The unique dataset can fetch any number of table rows at a stretch in a single time. In the dataset, the objects in data table can be associated with others with the help of data relation object. By implying the object of foreign key constraint and unique constraint, the data integrity is enforced in the dataset. The data source contains a serialized dataset, and that is the reason behind the web services being able to run the dataset as a final output but doesn't return data table. A data table follows the process of in-memory representation on a table of a single database, which is comprised of rows and columns. Here only one table row can be fetched by data table at a single stretch. The provision of data table and objects of the data relation is null. As a data table is a single unit in the database table, it doesn't possess any data relation object inside it. The enforcement of data integrity is dynamic in data table as there has zero unique constant key and the multiple objects of foreign key constraint. The data table cannot be sequential or to the data source. Head-to-head comparison between dataset versus data table. Definition: dataset comprise of one or many dataset tables which have the in-memory feature. Data table holds a single or unit database table that has an in-memory feature. Elements: dataset is formed collectively of data tables. Data table is composed of multiple rows and columns to have a better access to data. Objects: dataset, it is composed of data table objects which establish the relation between every other object to form a specific relationship or output. Data table, it is composed of a single database table, so there will be zero possibilities of the relation. Fetching properties: dataset, it can fetch many table rows simultaneously. Data table, it has the option to fetch only a single row at a time. Serialization: dataset, the objects in the dataset of the data source are serialized like the web services has the feature which has always written dataset as the output or final set. Data table, The objects in the dataset are not serialized with data table. The key difference between dataset versus data table. The important difference between dataset and data table can be its working, structure, application, integrity, properties, definition, objects. Working of dataset and data table. The dataset has a class inbuilt in which is called a typed dataset. It gets all the events, processes and properties of a dataset. A typed dataset offers strong and stable information on process, events and properties. So it insists that the user can access the column and tables by the unique name apart from using the methods based on collective values. It has enhanced the reliability of a code where the dataset enables the Visual Studio Code editor in .NET to automate the complete lines as per the type. The strong dataset offers the context to values to get a precise type at a compile time. By using a strong dataset, the mismatch error are captured and the code is compiled reasonably that then the runtime. The data table is a member of a system.data located within the framework of the .NET class. The user can create an independent data table or become a member of the dataset and object in a data table to be used to connect with other objects in .NET framework includes the data view. The user can work on the collection of tables in the dataset via the property of the table in the dataset object. Structure. The schema of the table represented by the constraint and columns and also explain the data column and data table as well as in unique constraint and foreign key constraint. The column in the table can be linked to a data source which has computed values from the delivered expression, automatically increase the value or hold the value of primary key. Application. The dataset is used to manipulate the remote and update the database with the new data. Hence, it enables the discontinuity between the working with data. It enhances the performance by limiting the number of database linked with data manipulations. In the data table, the user can load a single database table into the memory of the data table. If the user wants to get the information from a single table on the database, then the opted for the best choice. When the dataset is the other issue, the data relation can explain the association between data table by using the foreign key which is placed between the table in the database. The dataset themselves doesn't hold any data and data table holds the dataset where the data is placed. Conclusion. Hence, there are major nodes of the data set and data table. It can be used accordingly to obtain the maximum performance in the server. The process and activities are more times and space consuming, which is cost effective. Thank you.